Hey everybody, welcome back to Trial and Error, another road trip edition. We're now in Georgia, somewhere around Macon, I believe. Forcing right now. On our way to Tennessee to take on the country's most dangerous road, most deadliest road. Now keep in mind, the road hasn't killed anybody, but bad decisions on it have. The road's perfectly fine. It's the meatball behind the wheel that you have to worry about. And in this case, the meatball behind the wheel is going to be the car itself. Because I'm gonna, well, I say I'm gonna let it do full autopilot, but I'm sure there'll be a couple of points. Wow, this is intense. There's a switchbacks that I'll want to take myself, but I want to see how Tesla's Autopilot responds to the toughest road in the country. Toughest road meaning it's 300 some odd turns in like a 10-mile or 11-mile run through beautiful country, through the mountains out here. And I always wanted to try it, and today is the day. So stay tuned for that. Alright, you know what? Let's see what Tesla's Autopilot does. I'll be honest with you, I wanted to do this whole thing on autopilot, but this road's going to be way too much fun, so I'm going to do a little bit of it on autopilot, and then I will get out whatever it is in me that makes me want to drive on roads like this fast. Oh, that's a tricky one. Not bad. It's doing a pretty good job of maintaining a reasonable speed. I mean, these roads are crazy. I hope it comes across in the camera. Oh, doesn't like that. Thought we were going off the edge. Okay. So I would say that this is about what you would expect. I'm not super blown away, but it is being very careful, which is probably a very good thing. Oh wow, look at that waterfall. It's being very careful, and this is probably the worst I've ever seen it drive on anything. Not worse in terms of safety, just it's going very slow, and it's clearly really thinking about what the weirdest road in the world is doing in front of it. But it's driving safe, and I guess that's really the most important part. But there's no way I'm gonna let it waste these corners at 26 miles an hour. It's just too good. But I'm not gonna waste this beautiful road on autopilot. Will Tesla's Autopilot run it? 100%.
500 feet.
Is it the way you want to be driven? No. Actually, let me go in here. Because we are in no rush here. Oh, there goes a Ferrari. Yep, yeah, that makes sense.
Turn left onto Deals Gap Road.
Oh, we might be off-roading it a bit here. That's okay. Wow, the Ferrari actually sounded like shit. How is that even possible? You gotta work hard to make a Ferrari sound bad.
Now you have arrived at your destination.
Alright, let's let her rip. Oh god, I'd love to do this on a bike. Again, I apologize for all the crap sliding around the car, as I'm sure there will be tons. Holy shit! And we are officially in Tennessee. I've never been in Tennessee. Wow, Tennessee. Oh, wow, they just repaved this or something. This is beautiful. Got all my stuff flying around. Wow. Oh my God. Man, if this thing doesn't make you sick, I don't know what would. This is crazy. This might be the first time the brakes in this thing have actually been used. Usually just the regen is enough. Not here. This is a great car to take on the tail of the Dragon. Let the turbo spool, it's just always right there. Wow! Oh, got a little tire squeal in there. This is really well planted. Yeah, baby! Oh, this is too much freaking fun. I'm sorry if I'm talking too much. But I haven't been able to play like this in a while. Oh, God. Poor car just drove me 1,800 miles to Florida, and this is how I treat it on the way home. Oh, that's a fine one. Wow, this is intense. I love this freaking car. It does everything so well. There goes my bag of trash. This road is insane. all you hear is tires.
Stay on US Highway 120. Stay on US Highway 120.
Woo! Oh my god, this car holds the road so well. I've about pushed my dead pedal all the way through the firewall, just from bracing. What a road. What a freaking road. I can't imagine the head pressure they get through those, what the hell are they called? Stockton pipe? No, something. I don't know, somebody with some damn knowledge will throw it down in the comment section. What are those pipes called? I can never freaking remember. But this is pretty cool. Yeah, that's a hell of a drop. I don't know, 100 feet? Something like that? Very cool out here. Wow! That road is crazy. And I swear I'm like dizzy from my brain smashing the sides of my skull in a 100% bone stock Tesla. Yeah, even a decently fast stock car can quickly exceed the average driver skill rating on that road. You got to be freaking on it. That was so much fun though. Perfectly paved, the bank corners, one after the other. Is a good memory. That was awesome. So check that one off the bucket list. We did the Tail of the Dragon, and I still have all my body panels on the car. So that's pretty good. Thank you all very much for watching. As always, I do appreciate it. Any comments, questions, concerns, or criticisms, throw them down in the comment section below me. I will see you all after I travel the next 1,000 miles back to New Hampshire.